Hi, this is Anil from Learning Lab with a video tutorial on C programming. So in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to get the square root and cube root of a number in C. So for that purpose we're going to use functions called sqrt to get the square root and cbrt to get the cube root. So to use these functions we need to include the math.h header file to your program. Okay, to get the square root there are three functions available: sqrt, sqrtf and sqrtl. And you can see here, sqrtf is used for get the square root of a number of type float, and sqrtl is used to get the square root of a number of type long. And also this sqrt is used to get the square root of a number of type double. So this function is going to return the square root of the number. Next, to get the cube root of a number we're going to use a function called cbrt. And to get the cube root of a number of type float we need to use cbrtf, and to get the cube root of a number of type long you need to use cbrtl. And also these functions returns the cube root of the number passed. Okay, now we're gonna see how we can use this function in our program. Okay, now here just for the demonstration purpose we're gonna use a printf statement, and I'm gonna say square root of let's say 16 is %f, and let me add a new line here, and I'm going to use a sqrt function, so it's going to be sqrt, and we need to pass 16. Okay, the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna copy this printf statement and place it in the next line, and this time we're gonna say cube root of let's say 125 is cbrt, because to get the cube root we need to use cbrt of 125. Okay, I'm gonna save this one, execute, compile and run. So you can see here square root of 16 is 4 and cube root of 125 is 5. Okay, this is it. This is about the short video tutorial on how to get the square root and cube root of a number in C. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my Facebook page at facebook.com/learninglad, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.